how to link Nintendo Switch Fortnite to PS4. So for this you will need to use either your phone or a PC, open up the browser and just Google search for Epic Games. Now it's going to load up the Epic Games website like this, and what we want to do is just log in with our account. So I've just clicked on the three lines in the top right and I'll just click on sign in. So from here you will see sign in with Nintendo, so we will just use that method of signing in, and we will choose for existing users sign in. So here I'll just type out my email and password and log in. So I'll just pause and come back in a second. Okay, so once you have logged in with your Epic account, we will click on the three lines again, and this time we will select our profile icon. Here we want to go into account. So from the account section that pops up, we will select account settings here, or click on account settings at the top, and we want to go into apps and accounts. And here you will see all of your connected accounts. So we have Steam, we have the PlayStation Network. So if we want to link our Nintendo account, Nintendo Fortnite account to PlayStation, then we'll just click on PlayStation Network here, connect. It's going to ask us for to verify, so I'll just click on connect account, and it's going to ask me to log in with my Nintendo account, or sorry, with my PlayStation account. And once I log in here, it's going to connect Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch with PlayStation, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.